Hello guys, welcome to Scientific Facts. Today I am making my first video on this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So now we continue that our first fact is that in human body there are how many atoms? So there are 7 octillions, means 7 into 10 raised to 27 atoms are present in a human body. You can see it on your screen. The second fact is number of cells. How many cells are in human body? So there is 37 to 100 trillions of cells, means 3.7 into 10 raised to 13 cells are present in human body. Third fact of the day. How many atoms are present in one human cell? So it is approximately equal to 100 trillion atoms are present in one human cell, and which is therefore there are 100 trillion cells in human body due to presence of 100 trillion atoms in a human cell. Now we talk about one brain fact that if some of you will know that when a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left, and it's the mind playing back the person's memories in a dream sequence. Means when someone dies, his or her brain continue working for 7 minutes, and he mind plays one game with the person that his all past memories were seen in his dream. Now we talk about our elephant fact, that why elephant is a unique animal. Because in all animals, elephant is the only animal that cannot jump. This is the truth, that all animals can jump, but elephant cannot jump. Now our sixth fact is that elephant eating fact. It is the fact related to the elephant consume food, that an elephant can eat up to 400 pounds of food and 50 gallons of water in one day, which is very big amount. Now our seventh fact. It is not a fact, it is for you all a knowledge chat about the 3 types of elephant found in our earth. These are the 3 types of species of elephant we can tell. You will be provided a PDF of this PPT in the description. Please see the knowledge chart. It is very important for your natural facts knowledge. I will tell you that there are 3 types of elephant: Asian elephant, African savanna elephant, African forest elephant, and other things you can read it from the PDF which will be in description. And one thing, please leave the comment on the topic on which I will make my second video. Please share, subscribe and like my video. Now we will go on to our another fact, which is based on elephant type of elephant. So our first is African elephant, the largest land animal, growing as tall as 4 meter and weighing more than 6,000 kilo. Means in land animals in the world, the largest land animal is African elephant, which is 4 meters tall and 6,000 kilogram mass. Means it is talking about land animal African elephants. Someone will tell that the whale is the largest animal, but it is the mammalian whale is the largest aquatic animal and mammalian animal in in the truth in the truth African elephant are the largest land animal, not a whale. Whale is the largest aquatic animal. There are three kinds of elephant which I have tell you in previous slide. The African forest elephant of Central and West Africa, the savanna elephant of East and South Africa, and the Asian elephant of India and Southeast Asia. These are the locations where all three types of elephant can be seen. Asian elephant means Indian elephants are smaller than African elephants with small ears and trunks are the teeth which we can see in all elephants. These are called trunks, which are small, and ears are also small than African elephant of Asian elephant. They also have one finger on the tip of their trunk, while African elephants have two. Means this trunk, the elephant's trunk, which you can see, this elephant trunk has one finger in Asian elephant but two fingers in this trunk African elephant. Human heart fat. We will now talk about human heart beats over 1 lakh times a day, over 2 billion times in a year lifetime. Means human heart beats 1 lakh times in 24 hours, means 1 day, and 2 billion times in the lifetime of one human, means whole lifetime of human from his birth to his death, heart beats for 2 billion times. Our last fact of the day is that the 10th fact, that the size of our fist and heart is same. Means your heart is about the size of your fist. As you grow your body and fist grows, so does your heart. Means your fist has the same size, or your heart has the same size as your fist. And however a person grows, his fist size grows. With respect to increase in fist size, the heart size is also increasing. Means we can say that in scientific language, we can say the size of fist is directly proportional to the size of heart. Means a human has the same fist with the same size of heart, but don't forget that it is different size of fist in different humans, and size of heart of humans varies. Only same person have a same fist size, same heart, not two different persons have same heart size. So if you like these 10 facts, please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to leave the comment for the next second video, and the PDF is on description. Please read the knowledge chart. Bye bye friends.